Good morning, world. Good afternoon, world. Good evening, world. Well, what time is it? Duh. I don't know what time it is. But I'm back. And I guess I missed Mai Tai Day. So what I'm going to do is today is Mai Tai Day. Okay? And this is Mai Tai. Andrew at Angry Cocktails said it was Mai Tai Day. Rob's Home Bar said it was Mai Tai Day. Well, I missed it. I drank a Cosmo and I was blitzed because I had 3 of them. And there was 3 ounces in each one of vodka. So they were delicious. But anyhow, today is Mai Tai Day, Mai Tai. Anyhow, here we go. I'm going to give a couple of shout outs. One to Gin and Tonic. I just got a comment from one of Jen's, and she gave me one of hers, and good. And Cooking with Chef Rich. Rich, I got to hand it to you, buddy. You are honest, and I appreciate you. And I have to give a special shout out to my special friends out there at Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. Cam, Teresa, I miss you guys, and I hope all is well. Haven't seen you for a while. And that's about it, guys. That's all I got to say. Now I'm going to make a Bahama Mama, because I'm always saying, say hello to your mama, and I wish I was in Bahama, but it's a Bahama Mama cocktail. 2 ounces of lemon, no, I'm sorry. I haven't even started drinking yet. A ½ an ounce of lemon juice. What's up with that crap? I didn't even start drinking yet. 2 ounces of Dark Rum. You guys wondering what's going on with me? You wondering what's going on with me? Can you read the shirt? If you met my family, you'd understand. 1 ounce of regular rum, white rum. ½ an ounce of banana liqueur. I use the 99 brand, and it's more than 99 cents. I don't know why they call it 99. I felt like going to the dollar store to buy it. I put in a 3/4 of an ounce, actually. One ounce of coconut rum. Today is going to be a nutty day because I got nuts. I'm going nuts. Splash of grenadine. ½ an ounce of simple syrup. Two ounces of orange juice. And I hope you get enough to make bread there, Missy.
Me too.
2 ounces of orange juice. Maui Carinair makes a great cinnamon Portuguese bread. It's delicious. It's really good.
Thank you.
The whole family eats it. She makes so much we have to go and drive around the neighborhood and hand it to neighbors. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Freshly squeezed pineapple juice out of the can. I squeeze it right out of the can. Shake with ice, and I should be back in a second. Okay, I'm done shaking. Now it's time to pour. And I'm gonna double strain it. Double strain it.
Whoa, right to the top. Woo-hoo.
And got a straw and my garnish. I got cherries and an umbrella for garnish, and because I'm in the Bahamas right now, and the ice is all sticking down the bottom down there. Oh, Oh, that is delicious. It's absolutely delicious. Excuse me while I have another sip. That is good. Anyhow, all my friends out there, don't forget, say hello to your mama, okay? And if you didn't get a vaccine, wear a mask because this Delta stuff, we're not flying Delta anymore. No more, okay? Bye, y'all. Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.